Docky, a mobile phone docking station for Type-C mobile phones. Docky is a portable docking station specially applied for Type-C mobile phones. The Type-C port at the base is specifically designed for new Android mobile phones, which support a variety of brands and models. Docky contains multiple ports, including Type-C, HDMI, and auxiliary, USB 3. Docky can be applied on entertainment, business, gaming, education, and so on. By connecting Docky to a projector and portable speaker, users can create a home theater which support up to 1080p screen resolution. Additionally, by connecting Docky with a keyboard and a mouse, it turns your mobile phone into a smart device and increases work productivity. Docky, the life assistant you must have.